Tired of wrestling with file transfers between your Android and Mac? In this video, we're breaking down the simplest ways to move files between your Android phone and your Mac, using methods that suit any tech skill level. First up, the trusty USB cable. Grab your USB cable and connect your Android to your Mac. Your phone might prompt you to choose a connection type. Select File Transfer or MTP. If you haven't already, you'll likely need to download Android File Transfer from the Android website, install it, and open the program. You should now see your Android phone's files and folders. Simply drag and drop files between your Mac and your phone. Next, let's explore cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive are fantastic for syncing files across devices. Just upload files from your Android to the cloud, and they'll automatically appear on your Mac. Download the appropriate app on both your phone and Mac, then sign into your account on both devices. Upload your files from your phone to the cloud storage now. Open the app on your Mac and your files should now be accessible. Finally, wireless transfer apps offer a quick and easy solution. Apps like Send Anywhere allow you to transfer files directly between devices over Wi-Fi. Install the app on both your Android and Mac. Follow the app's instructions to connect your devices. Usually, it involves a simple pairing code. Select the files you want to transfer and send them to your Mac, and that's it. Now you can effortlessly transfer files between your Android and Mac, whether you prefer the reliability of a cable, the convenience of the cloud, or the speed of a wireless app. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.